G'day, this is Aaron Aardvark Adventure Rides. I'm finally out on an adventure ride. Got 4 of us today. My bike's been out of action for a while. So yeah, I'm looking forward to hitting some dirt today. So we've got Colin on a BMW 850, Brendan on a DR 650 and Eddie on a Tenere 660.
Got his momentum.
Oh, don't stop.
I won't track him. Don't be rolling back into the forest.
Oh, he's going to be hard to get out of. We've had a very hot, dry week, so the roads are going to be very dusty today. Luckily it's cooled down. It was really hot yesterday. Not real keen on these big embedded rocks. Oh, bloody hell. That one knocked Colin offline a bit. Should be that way. That'll go back to the main road, I think. So I'm leading this part. I'm just going to do a nice little loop through Talangi. really want to get back to the left. This stuff is terrible to ride on. This track used to be very rutted and slippery, so they decided to put these loose, big loose rocks on it. It's probably less maintenance for them, but bloody hell, it's hard on a bike. Especially with my little short suspension travel. Yeah, a lot of four-wheel drives through here, chew up the track. And this rocky stuff's probably good for them. Plenty of traction. It's just fucking hard work on the bike. The other guys are taking off. It's a bit slow on this bike, this sort of shit. It's just too rough for it. Turned out to be a good ride. It was good. Yeah, we did the rest of Marginal Road, which I've never done before, so that was really good. So now I know what it's like. Looks like there's some good tracks going off it too. So I might have to do a bit more exploring around there. And then even some of the tracks I've done before were totally different to last time I've done them, just because they've been graded or something. Shit, look at this stuff. Oh man. Yeah, there's a bit of unintentional air. Very loose gravel. Yeah, like I was saying, all these tracks are totally different to what they were last time I come through. Been some roadworks. Oh man. Problem with this stuff, it looks nice and smooth, then you'll get a big dip or a rock you don't see. Rightio, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bloody hell. Those guys must be going pretty quick. It was very slow up the first part, but I'm really happy with the bike today. It hasn't missed a beat. It's running really well. I think it's actually running better than it was before. Yeah, I guess with new spark plugs and correct valve clearances, it's going to run better, isn't it? Oh, fuck's sake, I can't see anything. Yeah, for 117,000 Ks, she's going alright.